TechSeal is a two-component sealant based on polysulfide liquid elastomer. It consists of a base and accelerator. When the two components are mixed together prior to application, a chemical reaction is initiated which cures in situ to a firm, flexible, rubber-like seal with excellent adhesion to concrete, masonry, wood, glass, acrylic and PVC plastics. It is capable of withstanding repeated extension, compression and cyclic movements without loss of adhesion. It resists deterioration by weathering, sunlight, ozone, water, salt, oils and fuels. It is far superior to all the conventional joint sealing material like bitumen, mastics, metallic channels and expansion sheets. Choksey Chemicals is the first company to introduce indigenous polysulfide sealants in India. This achievement was recognized by the Indian government with an award in 1995. TechSeal, Choksey's polysulfide sealant, is still the best sealant available. Usages: TechSeal can be applied in sealing of expansion joints in building structure such as basements, subways, retaining walls, floors, external walls and claddings of high-rise buildings, roof terraces and ceilings, especially structural expansion joints running through the ceiling, dynamic structural cracks, glazing joints of windows, door frames and curtain walls, joints and J-bolts of asbestos sheet roofing, sealing of water-retaining structure joints such as water tank, reservoir, dams, aqueducts, canals, culverts and water treatment plant. Sealing of joints in traffic areas such as bridges, roads and car parking areas. Surface preparation. Surface preparation is the most important step before application of sealant. Proper application gives desired results and avoids failures. The joint surface must be dry, free from dust, coatings, bituminous mastics, concrete curing agents, mold release agents, oils, greases and loose particles. Clean the joint surface by wire brush and sanding with emery paper. Remove dust by compressed air or paintbrush. Wipe out oil and grease by solvent-soaked cloth such as xylene, toluene or acetone. Backup materials: insert compressible polyethylene, polyurethane, neoprene, polyethylene butyl rod as a backup material to control depth of sealant in the joint and to provide support for tooling of the sealant. Priming: select a primer suitable to the substrate and apply 2 coats by brush on the sides of the joint surface at an interval of 30 minutes. Primer RDL 942 for porous substrate such as concentrate and wood. Primer RDL 942 for porous substrate such as concrete and wood. Primer RDL 947 for non-porous substrate such as metals and glass. Primer RDL 952 for acrylic glass. Primer RDL 948 for PVC plastic and rubber. Bond breaker: fix a bond breaker tape such as self-adhesive polyethylene tape on the backup material to avoid adhesion of sealant to the third surface. Masking tape: apply masking tape such as self-adhesive polyethylene, cellophane or cloth tape on both edges of the joint. It is used to improve the neatness of the finished seal by protecting the face edges of the joint. It may be removed immediately after tooling of the sealant. Mixing: the base and accelerator compounds supplied are packed in pre-weighed quantity as per the mixing ratio. After the application of primer, mix the material of individual container. Transfer entire quantity of accelerator to the base compound tin and mix it thoroughly to a uniform homogeneous black color. Mixing can be done manually with spatula, palette knife or with a special flat stirrer attached to a low-speed electric mixer. Application: apply the mixed gun-grade compound by means of a spatula or by filling into a plastic cartridge, which is then placed into the handheld caulking gun. Tooling and finishing. It is desirable that a smooth surface is obtained. Tool the sealant by pressing the puffy knife or flat tool against the sealant surface, moving along the length of the joint. Tooling removes air bubbles and exposes any air pockets present. Tooling compresses the sealant, thus promoting adhesion to the joint sides. After tooling, the masking tape should be removed immediately. Soap solution can be used to smoothen the sealant surface. Choksi Chemicals is the first company to introduce indigenous polysulfide sealants in India. This achievement was recognized by the Indian government with an award in 1995. TechSeal, Choksi's polysulfide sealant, is still the best sealant available.